Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadya Eka Restya from 3TK JJBA 2. Here I want reading text about flexible and rigid pavement. Flexible and rigid pavement. Hard surfaced pavements are typically categorized into flexible and rigid pavements. Flexible pavements, those which are surfaced with bituminous or asphalt materials. These types of pavements are called flexible since the total pavement structure bends or deflects due to traffic loads. A flexible pavement structure is generally composed of several layers of materials which can accommodate this flexing. Flexible pavements comprise about 94% of US paved roads. Rigid pavements, those which are surfaced with Portland cement concrete or PCC. These types of pavements are called rigid because they are substantially stiffer than flexible pavements due to PCC's high stiffness. Rigid pavement comprise 6% of US paved roads. Each of these pavement types distributes the load over the subgrade in a different fashion. Rigid pavement, because of PCC's high stiffness, tends to distribute the load over a relatively wide area of subgrade. See Figure 1. The concrete slab itself supplies most of a rigid pavement's structural capacity. Flexible pavement uses more flexible surface curves and distributes loads over a smaller area. It relies on combination of layers for transmitting load to the subgrade. See Figure 1. This guide addresses flexible pavements. In general, both flexible and rigid pavements can be designed for long life, in excess of 30 years, with only minimal maintenance. Both types have been used for just about every classification of the road. There are many different reasons for choosing one type of pavement or the other, some practical, some economical, and some political. Many road-owning agencies have documented pavement type selection protocols they use for determining pavement types for new or reconstructed roads. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.